In the darkness, I was lost and lonely, searching for a reason, a purpose to believe. But then you came and showed me the way, with your wisdom and your guidance, leading me each day. You're the beacon in the night, the shining star above, guiding minds towards the truth, spreading a light of love. With your words of wisdom and your noble quest, you inspire us all to be our very best. You are the light that guides us through the storm. We follow you, our hearts forever warm. With every step, we're closer to the truth. Guiding minds will make the world anew. Anew. In the darkness, I was lost and lonely, searching for a reason, a purpose to believe. But then you came and showed me the way, with your wisdom and your guidance, leading me each day. You're the beacon in the night, the shining star above, guiding minds towards the truth, spreading a light of love. With your words of wisdom and your noble quest, you inspire us all to be our very best. You are the light that guides us through the storm. We follow you, our hearts forever warm. With every step, we're closer to the truth. Guiding minds will make the world